And first up on the biggest story tonight, accessing details of the charge sheet that was filed earlier today in Mumbai on Parambir Singh in one of the cases of extortion. Let me go across to Yesha joining us with the details of the charge sheet. Rhythm is also live with us. Let me go across to Rhythm first before I come across to you, Yesha. Rhythm, you've gone through the details of the charge sheet. What do you make of it? Some explosive mentions being made.
Yes. Well, the synopsis of the charge sheet clearly shows, Niranjan, that they believe that Parambir had a very big role in the entire extortion racket. Sections that have been added also show that Vaze was extorting money. He confirmed he was doing it for boss. And like you said, for him, was Parambir boss has to be seen as there is strong evidence against the boss. It's the first charge sheet against the disgraced cop. Sections have been added in this that are mentioned that our extortion was taking place between January 2020 and March 2021. 2 bars and restaurants were extorted for 9 lakh rupees. Of the 2 cell phones that Vaze got, one has been seized by the investigating agencies. We've also been told in the charge sheet that is over nearly 2,000 pages. 62 witnesses recorded their statement. The primary finding from the charge sheet, Niranjan, Vaze was extorting money from people. There is strong evidence to show he was not doing it on his own. He was doing it on the instructions of Parambir Singh. The people from whom Vaze had extorted money had corroborated this theory in their statement, and also they produced evidence to show that when Vaze was extorting money, he was doing it on instructions of Parambir Singh. Now, why this becomes very crucial is because there is a very crucial hearing on Monday in the top court, Niranjan. Sections that have been added here will be clearly seen, and they are being seen on 384, 385, 388, 201, 120B, and of course common intention, that is 34. Yesha, I actually want to go across to you to give us more details of the charge sheet.
Yes, Rhythm. In fact, we have this exclusive details of the charge sheet, that is the summary of the charge sheet that's been accessed with us, wherein there are statements of 27 people, of which at least 5 statements have been recorded under 164, which is the magistrate record. And in fact, we were the first to have broken to our viewers that one of these statements had in fact pointed out that Sachin Vaze had clarified that he was working on the instructions of Parambir Singh. In fact, this same statement has been mentioned in the summary as well, where it's mentioned that Sachin Vaze was told by Parambir Singh that he has to extort money worth rupees 2 crore daily, and which is where Sachin Vaze was also roping in others. That's why we need to show you the visuals of, show you the entire charge sheet that's been accessed by us. Let us see some of the important parts of the charge sheet that have been accessed here. In fact, there are statements by people. These statements in fact show that there was one Mr. Manan who has said that he was extorted rupees 35 lakh on the part that this is a protection money, because if he does not pay this money to Sachin Vaze, this money he would be arrested by the Mumbai police. Now, this is the kind of statements that have been used. In fact, there's a statement by another witness which says that there was a 75% and a 25% distribution that was being made of the extortion money between Sachin Vaze and Parambir Singh, because 75% would be going to Parambir Singh, whereas 25% was to be given to Sachin Vaze and others who were involved in this. Apart from that, the mention of the 2 cell phones that you're making, these 2 cell phones in fact were picked up by one of the witness in this case, and he has handed over that cell phone to Sachin Vaze inside the CP office premises. Now, these are the things that have been mentioned in this charge sheet, and this is what has in fact been mentioned in the summary report as well. So here the question arises, Rhythm, is the fact that sitting in the top position, be it the CP in Mumbai Police or the CIU head, then they were sitting in their offices and extorting such kind of a money, because what is being clearly mentioned by Sachin Vaze, by the witnesses in their statement, is that Sachin Vaze had told them that he was extorting money on the behalf of number 1, and in that number 1, it's clearly specified in the charge sheet that it was the instructions of CP Mumbai that he was working on. So this in fact raises certain questions on Parambir Singh, because as of now, what we understand is both Sachin Vaze as well as Parambir Singh have been trying to shield themselves. In fact, even when Sachin Vaze was questioned at the Chandival Commission if he was working on the instructions of Parambir Singh, he had clearly stated that he was working on the instructions of his superiors, wherein he did not specify the name of Parambir Singh. But now, the summary of this charge sheet, the first charge sheet which has been filed against Parambir Singh, Sachin Vaze and 2 more people, because there are 6 accused in this case, clearly state that Sachin Vaze was working on the instructions of Parambir Singh. He has specified that to many other people, be it Mahesh Shetty, who is a witness in this case, or for that matter, Mr. Manan Naik. Now, these all witnesses have clearly recorded the statement because this extortion was taking place ever since December 2020 onwards, and this also involves what some of the witnesses have said is that this was like a recovery amount in order to ensure that the money that was lost during the lockdown can be recovered, and it was right from say 5 lakh to 2 crore was what the target was, and there was different money that was involved that was being extorted from various people. In fact, the statement of the complainant, Bimal Agarwal, also makes a mention in a summary of this charge sheet because, like we had mentioned to our viewers before as well, that rupees 9 lakh were clearly extorted from him and 2 cell phones. Now, these cell phones also make a mention of that. So, here the charge sheet, in fact, points out to all the details that we had earlier shared with our viewers about how the extortion racket was taking place by Sachin Waze and Parambir. And there were 4 more people involved with them in the larger extortion racket, of which 2 are still absconding, which is why we saw that mention of these 2 people was made before the Killa court today, wherein both Vinay Singh as well as Riaz Bati, considering there's a proclamation application against them, they've still not appeared before the police like Parambir Singh has, because there was a proclamation application against Parambir Singh as well. So in that context, while the 2 of them have not appeared before them, there's a mention of how these 2 were working hand in gloves with Parambir Singh and Sachin Waze to extort money from bars and restaurants. There's the name of these 2 bars and restaurants from whom money was extorted. So this was, in fact, the entire modus operandi